Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. Why Ma Long's forehand topspin is so powerful, so good. Hey, how are you today? I'm EmRatThich, a table tennis coach in France. Ma Long is known as the dragon in table tennis, and his forehand topspin is one of the most powerful weapons in modern table tennis. But why is it so good? Let's break it down into simple points. 1. Perfect timing and footwork. Ma Long always moves into the right position before hitting the ball. His footwork is quick and precise. He never stretches or reaches for the ball, he gets close to it. This allows him to hit the ball at the ideal moment when it is at its highest or just descending. Perfect timing gives his forehand consistency and power. Two, compact and efficient stroke. Unlike many amateur players who swing too big, Ma Long's stroke is compact and efficient. He uses a short backswing and a powerful forward motion. This compact stroke helps him maintain balance and recover quickly for the next shot. Three, weight transfer and body rotation. One of the secrets of Ma Long's forehand power is his use of the whole body. He rotates his waist, hips, and shoulders together, transferring his weight from the back foot to the front foot. This weight transfer creates a whip effect, generating tremendous force behind the ball. Four, the racket angle and brushing contact. Ma Long uses a closed racket angle and brushes the ball with precision. This creates heavy topspin, making the ball dip sharply after crossing the net. His topspin is so strong that opponents often struggle to block or counter it effectively. Five, explosive acceleration. If you watch closely, you'll notice that Ma Long accelerates his racket just before contact. This explosive acceleration is key. It comes from his wrist and forearm snap, adding extra spin and speed to the ball. Six, Chinese training philosophy. Ma Long's forehand is the result of years of Chinese-style training. In China, players focus heavily on the forehand as the primary weapon. Ma Long practiced this stroke thousands of times a day, refining every detail. Seven, mental discipline and confidence. Finally, Ma Long's mental discipline makes his forehand even better. He knows when to attack and when to hold back. He trusts his technique completely, which allows him to execute his forehand under pressure. Key takeaway: to play like Ma Long, focus on these elements: footwork, compact stroke, weight transfer, and brushing contact. Remember, it's not just about power, it's about spin, precision, and timing. Master these fundamentals and you'll see big improvements in your forehand topspin. Train hard, focus on technique, and always remember, quality over quantity. That's the Chinese philosophy, and that's the secret behind Ma Long's powerful forehand.